Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to talk about 7 ways to make $10,000 a month online. But before you start, don't forget to like this video and click the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Making $10K a month is something many people wish for, but it's not that easy if you're working a day job. The average American makes $3,714 a month, which is way less than $10K. Luckily, in the digital era, there are many ways you can make 10 grand or more every month. I've compiled 7 legitimate ways to make 10K a month in this video. You may not find all these ways worth trying, but I am hopeful you would end up with at least one way that works for you. Number 7, start a drop shipping business. Have you ever heard about drop shipping? If not, then you're truly missing out. Drop shipping has changed the lives of thousands of people across the world, with some entrepreneurs making more than 100 grand in profit each month. It's actually a business model in which you buy cheap products from vendors like AliExpress, Alibaba, or eBay and sell it on either Amazon or your own Shopify e-commerce store at a higher price. And before you assume anything else, let me tell you the best thing about this business model. You don't have to buy stuff and then ship it yourself, as all this process is automated. Yes, that's the beauty of this business. All you have to do is create an online store on Shopify, which is super easy and everything is drag and drop. Then go to AliExpress or any other site from where you want to buy stuff. Import the products you want to sell to your online store through Oberlo, an app that automates the process for you, and price them higher with good profit margins. After importing the items you want to sell, you have to promote your store through Facebook or Google Ads to get sales. Once someone places an order on your store, Oberlo will automatically gather the shipping address of the customer, place the same order on AliExpress or any other site, and then the supplier of AliExpress will ship the product to the customer's address. Number 6, offer freelance writing services. Freelance writing involves writing blog posts, articles, emails, social media posts, press releases, and more for companies and individuals running their own websites. It's one of the most in-demand online skills right now, and definitely a great way to make 10K a month. That's because of an increasing shift of businesses towards online marketing. The basis of online marketing is content, and companies hire freelance writers to write this content for them. If you can write well, and you think you're an engaging writing style, you should definitely try freelance writing. It takes a lot of hard work, and you may get frustrated in the beginning trying to pick up your first clients. But the key to success is to stick to the business and keep on giving your best. In order to start your freelance writing career, first choose your niche, your target market, like travel, health, beauty, personal finance, etc. After choosing your niche, research your niche thoroughly and start offering your services on social media and try to write 10 to 15 articles to build up your portfolio. After that, join freelance websites and writing job boards to kickstart your freelance writing career. There is a branch of freelance writing known as copywriting, which you might have heard before. Copywriting has more to do with writing sales pitches than normal articles or blog posts. This is a good option if you're looking to make 10K per month. Copywriters make way more money than most of the content writers out there, in most cases because they write to drive sales for a company. Companies are already ready to pay a large amount of engaging sales copy. Number 5, sell T-shirts through Teespring. Did you know you can design a T-shirt and sell it worldwide without having to leave your home? Teespring is a site that does the whole job for you. The whole process is, you design a T-shirt that you want to sell and upload the design on Teespring. You set the price of T-shirt and you get the buying link from them to promote it. You promote the T-shirt on social media forums or anywhere you can with a link given to you by Teespring. When someone clicks the link and buys a T-shirt, that T-shirt is shipped to him or her by Teespring, and you get the money after a $10 deduction by Teespring as their commission. Number 4, offer social media management services. Social media management is one of these online jobs for teens or tech-savvy adults that's really profitable and scalable. It involves managing these social media pages for clients, which includes running paid ads, managing the campaigns, calculating the ROI, posting photos and videos to increase engagement, running contests, etc. If you're already good at it, that's great. But if you want to learn the art of running Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat ads, etc., you can learn it on Skillshare or on Udemy. How to get started as a social media manager? Most of the international and local brands, companies, have social media pages, but some of them don't have time to manage them, and usually they don't give them much importance. Look around you and check if all the local businesses in your area have a strong social media presence or not. If you find a company that's not utilizing social media for the business, that can be your first potential client. What you can do is that you can mail them with a professional proposal and offer them your social media management services. But before mailing them, first research their industry thoroughly and check out if any of their competitors is using social media for business. While mailing them, don't start talking about your services straight away. Rather, first show how much money they are leaving on the table by not utilizing the power of social media. Give them some examples of their competitors who are doing well on social media. This is the best way to start your social media management business. However, you can also try Fiverr to get your first few clients. Number 3, start a consulting business. Do you have any kind of expertise or skill that you can offer to business owners around you and help them scale their business? It can be any skill from any industry, but if you think it can really change their business, it's the best opportunity for you to reach out to them and get your consulting business started. Consulting involves helping companies identify their mistakes and improve them through your knowledge of a respective domain. For example, if I have a good knowledge of interior design and I know I can help a business grow, I would simply reach out to them and offer my service in the form of 2 to 3 hours of consulting. Or maybe you're expert in finance and can offer a unique viewpoint regarding investments in cryptocurrency. You can help entrepreneurs diversify their assets and avoid losing money to crypto scams by finding legitimate platforms such as the Bitcoin method for successful investment opportunities. This has been one of the hottest businesses over the last few years and is expected to grow at an exponential rate in the upcoming years. Number 2, join a high-ticket affiliate program. This one is my favorite. A high-ticket affiliate program refers to promoting affiliate products that have large payouts. It's a tactic used by certain affiliate marketers to earn more profits and less sales. High-ticket items can earn a commission of at least $500 per sale and can reach as high as 5 figures, depending on the products you promote. I believe it's the best and most profitable way to make money online today. You'll find in the description below the link of my number 1 high-ticket program to promote at the moment. The programs pay 100% commissions, and you can earn up to $2,000 from a single sale. It is a lot easier to reach the goal of $10,000 per month with this type of program. You only need 5 sales each month. Number 1, join a network marketing company. My number 1 recommendation for people that are looking to make $10K per month is to join a company called Live Good. I placed the link in the description below. Live Good is a network marketing company that just comes out with one of the best compensation plans out there, and they're about to revolutionize the industry. Network marketing has been around for years. That's how a lot of the rich influencers such as Patrick Bet-David, Ed Mylett, Robert Kiyosaki, and may have made most of their millions. Here are 3 things I like about this business model. You get residual income. Network marketing companies gives you an opportunity to enjoy residual income. You have unlimited income potential. There's no cap on how much money you can generate. In a corporate setting, most of our salaries are based on industry or market standards, and there's always a ceiling. With network marketing, there's never a ceiling because it's up to you to decide how much you want to earn. There are no limits. You do not need to hire any employees, which means no overhead. By far, this is a clear advantage over traditional businesses. It's a business of people independently working together. So guys, I recommend you to join Live Good if you're into network marketing. I placed the link of their website in the description below. So guys, this concludes our video about 7 ways to make $10,000 per month online. Thanks for watching, give us a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.